yan. Of course, I have one last for, of course, Master Joke. Pini Joanna, alam naman natin na mayroong bagong collection ang Pen Shop. Could you help me in explaining ano ba? Kailan pa ba na-release ng bagong collection natin?
Eto na nga, Blooms, ang dami yung dapat abangan for Bini. And lalo-lalo na dyan, ang bagong collection ng Pen Shop na i-release namin March 27. Meron kami i-release na campaign video! Actually, may mga nakikita na kami mga videos from our shoot. So, ayun, alam ko excited yung Blooms dito. Kasi na-film na nila na meron dong scene na sige maglabas na. In-spoil pa. Pero guys, sobrang ganda ng campaign video na yun. Sobrang nag-enjoy lang kami. Yeah.
Kagaya na sinabi ni Master Joe, of course, again, mark your calendars, Blooms, March 27 for the next massive summer collection drop from Pen Shop. Okay, of course, the ultimate summer kickoff would not be complete without this picture-perfect moment. So I would like to ask our Nation's Girl Group, dito tayo. So since nandito yung Cougars,